Do you want to make money from the comfort of your own home? If so, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to teach you how to make money with Remotasks, and answer the question on everyone's mind: how much can you really earn? Remotasks is a platform that offers a variety of tasks you can complete from anywhere in the world. These tasks include data entry, image annotation, audio transcription, and more. The best part? You can do it all from your laptop. So how much can you really earn with Remotasks? Well, the answer is, it depends. Your earnings will depend on the type of tasks you complete, how quickly you complete them, and your overall skill level. But don't worry, we're going to show you some tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're comfortable with the platform. Remotasks offers a variety of tutorials to help you get started, including video tutorials, written guides, and even one-on-one coaching sessions. Once you're comfortable with the platform, it's time to start completing tasks. One of the best ways to maximize your earnings is to focus on the tasks you're best at. For example, if you're a fast typer, you may want to focus on data entry tasks. Or, if you have an eye for detail, image annotation tasks might be a better fit. Another way to maximize your earnings is to complete tasks quickly and accurately. The faster and more accurate you are, the more tasks you'll be able to complete, and the more money you'll make. Finally, it's important to remember that Remotasks is a legitimate way to make money from home. As long as you're willing to put in the time and effort, you can earn a decent income through the platform. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Remotasks today and start earning money from home. And don't forget to click the link in the description to see the best way of making money from home. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!